Reacting in anger teaches fear, not discipline.
Comparison silently breaks a child's confidence.
When we don't listen, children stop sharing.
Children are still learning self-control.
Inconsistency confuses children, not corrects them.
Too much protection stops confidence from growing. Correct behavior, not a child's identity. Connection matters more than correction.